Hey everyone, Kat Noon here, founder and CEO of Stark, the platform helping software teams proactively manage and streamline digital accessibility. Here to talk about how, after 2 years of market and customer research, we just published our first industry white paper outlining the need for companies to manage their digital accessibility posture in the same transparent, real-time, and continuous way they manage privacy and security. So to achieve that, we detail a new approach enabling companies to accelerate time to compliance and time to market while reducing both financial and legal risk. So by now, most of you watching probably have some knowledge about accessibility courtesy of the internet or ADA laws in the United States or comparable regulations around the world. But to level set, the number of people with disabilities is currently pinned at 1.85 billion, which makes it a market larger than China. And so I wanted to take the time to talk about what accessibility means for software. So for starters, I think we can all agree that software is the lifeblood of every major corporation. It's vital to internal efficiency and execution, as well as connection to our customers. And so without it, no scale is possible, regardless of size. And so while we as humans are no longer gated by the limits of technology, we are gated by the shortcomings of outdated approaches, and the failure to fully consider or intentionally include people with respect to their individual needs has left 96% of the internet inaccessible for disabled people. And we have to acknowledge that's certainly improving, certainly since we started in the space. But the reality is companies are facing both high cost of retrofitting and legal risk for noncompliance. And in its current state, that means people with disabilities are actively excluded from accessing software services. And so think food shopping, ordering medication, remote learning, digital banking, traveling, and more. Right? These are daily activities that bring us delight or allow us to participate in society, in our communities, and go about our lives independently. And in turn, that's made it more difficult for disabled people to become core contributors to economic and societal progress. And that's unacceptable. So in a world of drastically accelerating deployment of software, the only sustainable path forward is to proactively manage digital accessibility across all departments of a company. But the problem is companies have been struggling to meet the human and regulatory accessibility needs with existing approaches. And so as an industry, we've known for decades that we needed a better way. With our new approach, we not only hit the bare minimum mark of legal compliance, but we create sustainable processes that ensure accessibility is an essential, non-negotiable quality requirement of modern software. And the new operating model, which is the basis of the Stark platform, is not only useful for large enterprise companies, but enables businesses of all sizes, including yours and ours, to grow your accessibility maturity and deliver compliant, inclusive products faster, clearer, and with less overhead. So it's out there. Give it a read. It's free. Share it. And please share any feedback with us as we continue to build out the model and approach. Thank you.